Good morning, students. Sai Ram. Welcome back to the computer class. Today we shall start with chapter number 6, queries. The database of any organization may contain huge amount of data. When the number of records in a table increases, it becomes an uphill task for any user to extract specific records from the table. MS Access provides you a solution for this through queries. A query is a database object that helps you to retrieve and view information from one or more database table that meet a specific condition or criteria to define. The information retrieved on the basis of specific criteria in the query is stored in a separate table called the query table. Now students, what is a query? A query is like a simple question that you ask to find specific information from the database. Queries can be used to view, change, summarize, and analyze specific data in different ways. A query is a request for data results and for action on data. We can use query to answer a simple question, to perform calculations, to combine data from different tables, or even to add, change, or delete table data. As tables grow in size, they can have hundreds of thousands of records, which makes it impossible for the user to pick out specific records from that table. With the query, we can apply a filter to the table's data so that we can only get the information that we want. Queries are made on tables, and the result of a query is also displayed in the form of table. MS Access provides various types of queries, namely select, parameter, crosstab, action, and SQL query. Queries that we use to retrieve data from a table or to make calculations are called select queries. Queries that add, change, or delete data are called action queries. A crosstab query uses row headings and column headings so we can see data in terms of two categories at once. We can also use a query to supply data for a form or report. Now let us see how to set a relationship between tables. To create a relationship, make two tables. One with the name students table that holds information about students such as roll number, name, class, address, and the other with the name MAC table that holds the information about the student's roll number, marks, percentage, and grade. Now open one of them in datasheet view. There if you see, there are two tables. The one is students, the other one is max table. The students table, you have roll number, name, address and city. The marks table, you have roll number, marks, percentage and grade. Now let us open one of the tables, that is student table, which is the parent table. Click the database tools tab. In the ribbon, click relationship button from the show hide group. Select show table. When the show table appears, select the required table and click on add button to add it in the relationship window. Likewise, add more tables to the relationship window. Click the close button to close the show table dialog box. Drag primary key of the parent table, that is student table, and drop it over the same field in the child table, that is marks table. The cursor changes to an arrow. The edit relationship dialog box appears. Click on create button. Access creates the relationship between the tables. The line linking the two tables will appear, indicating that both have linked. Click the save button to save the relationship. To delete the relationship, click the line that connects the tables and press the delete key. So students, in our today's class, we have learnt about what is query and setting up relationship between tables. We shall continue with the chapter in our next session.